Welcome to the channel. Today is Tablescape Tuesday, and Tablescape Tuesdays are hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now, normally they are freestyle, but today she has a guest, and the guest channel name is Joyful Designs. Now, Joyful Designs' theme for today's Tablescape Tuesday is a sultry summer table styling. So let's see what I have put together for you for today's Tablescape. Okay guys, coming in talking about today's tablescape, there's nothing new on my tablescape. The most recent thing that I purchased here were those green glasses. Those glasses I purchased in December of last year to use for the holidays. But I am loving the color palette that I selected for today's summer sultry tablescape. I think that the lime green plates and the blue cloth napkins really blend in nicely. Those blue cloth napkins give the table a pop. So for the lime plates, I got those from Hobby Lobby. They were $4.99 and I picked them up at a 40% off sale. Now the printed plates I got some years back as well from a store called the Christmas Tree Shops, which has since gone out of business. Now the blue cloth napkins, I got those from Home Goods. Those are Tommy Bahama napkins. They're one-sided, and because of that, they're not my favorite, but I still continue to use them on tablescapes. So most of the things here, like the scalloped edge placemats, I got those from, I want to say I probably got them from Hobby Lobby as well. But I also wanted to use that picture. I thought that picture would be pretty to use for a summer sultry tablescape because I love the blue handle. I thought it blended in really nicely with the color palette here for the table. Now the martini glasses, a friend gifted those to me, and I thought that I would include those for today's summer sultry tablescape in case we wanted to have a Cosmo, y'all. So look, I hope that you guys like my tablescape. Please stop by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Joyful Designs. See what they have for you today for today's summer sultry tablescape. I am sure you won't be disappointed. If you like my video today, please be so kind to give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment in the comment box below. I would love to know what you think about today's tablescape. You know I'm going to give y'all some feedback. I would really appreciate it. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join Jean Home Decor and more. If you are a returning visitor or a subscriber, hey y'all, big shout out to you for watching another one of my videos. I couldn't do this without you. I appreciate all of your support. You guys be blessed. Happy Tuesday, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.